this video, we will make Making Potato Cheese Pancakes street food style recipe, a crispy, cheesy, golden snack inspired by famous street food flavors from around the world. These delicious potato pancakes are made with soft mashed potatoes, stuffed with stretchy mozzarella cheese, shaped into thick patties, and pan-fried until perfectly crispy outside and melty inside. Imagine breaking one open and seeing that gooey cheese stretch. So satisfying. This easy potato recipe is perfect for anyone who loves comforting homemade snacks with lots of cheesy goodness. You can try different cheeses if you like, or even skip the filling, but mozzarella gives that amazing, stretchy texture that makes these potato cheese pancakes completely irresistible. Inspired by Korean street food, you can add just a tiny hint of sugar into the potato mixture. It creates a delicious, sweet and savory flavor that tastes surprisingly good. Crispy outside, soft inside, cheesy in every bite. These potato pancakes are perfect for snacks, parties, or whenever you're craving something warm and comforting. This was easily the best scallion pancake we had in Taiwan. You have to get the double cheese. We randomly walked by and saw this fluffy golden pastry puffing up fresh out of the fryer, and instantly knew we had to try it. Crispy scallion pancake, gooey melted cheese, a perfectly fried egg, and that sauce. Wow! Piping hot, crunchy, cheesy, savory. The ultimate Taiwanese street food snack. Next, we're turning a few simple eggs into super fluffy Japanese pancakes. Start by cracking the eggs and separating the yolks from the whites. These pancakes may look fancy, but trust me, once you know the tricks, they're actually super easy to make. A softer, lighter texture. Then, a little vanilla extract for that sweet bakery smell. Next, sift in the flour. I'm using cake flour for extra softness, but all-purpose works perfectly too. Add it little by little and mix until the batter becomes smooth, creamy, and silky. Now, let's move on to the real secret behind the fluffiness. The egg whites. Start whipping the egg whites on low speed. Once they turn foamy, slowly add the sugar and increase the speed to high. Oh, and here's a tiny pro tip. Chill the egg whites in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before whipping. Cold egg whites trap air better, giving you a fluffier, more stable meringue. Keep whipping until you get stiff, glossy peaks. But don't over-whip them! I've done that before, and the batter turned into a sad, watery mess. Now, mix 1/3 of the meringue into the yolk batter to lighten it up. Then gently fold in the rest with a spatula. Be gentle here. We do not want to destroy those beautiful air bubbles. They're the reason these pancakes puff up like little clouds. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. Or honestly, just spoon it onto the pan if that's easier. Heat a lightly oiled pan over very low heat. And I mean low. If the heat's too high, the pancakes will puff up dramatically, then collapse faster than my motivation on Monday mornings. Pipe the batter onto the pan, then add a few drops of water around it to create steam. Cover with a lid and let them cook low and slow for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once the bottoms are golden, carefully flip them over. Nice and easy. No pancake casualties today, please. Add a few more drops of water, cover again, and cook for another 5 minutes. And there you have it. Soft, jiggly, cloud-like Japanese pancakes. Look at that wobble! It might take a little practice, but once you master the meringue and keep the heat low, you'll get beautifully fluffy pancakes every single time.